500.
70%. Good.
Oh, okay.
Pull up the nose a bit more. Remember the nose has to be on the
Approaching
horizon.
minimums.
Pull up more. Don't go to the waters. Let's
Minimums.
go back to the runway. Do not overbank the aircraft. Pull up more. Pull up more.
100.
Pull up a
Good,
bit
good,
more.
good, good.
We're going to go to the runway here. Alright, good. Turn right slowly. Turn right slowly now. And let's slowly bring the power back. Slowly. Bring the power back. And continue turning right. Pull up the nose forward. Turn right more. Stay on the runway. Pull up the nose more. Pull up the nose a lot more. Pull up the
30,
nose.
20, 10.
Alright, let's go back to the runway.
จริงๆมันลงไม่ได้
With the paddles. Using the feet.
มันลงยากเรา
Put the
พัง
wings
แล้ว
level. Put the wings level. Put the wings level.
อันนี้
Put the wings level.
โอ้ยขนาดนี้ปีกหักเลย
And use the paddles on the ground.
อ๋อถ้าเป็นที่ผู้ใช้นี่ใช่ไหม
Press the paddles. Which one? Inside. And let's
ใช่
turn
ตอน
left.
ตอนใช้ตอนขึ้นกับลงมันเป็นล้อเลี้ยวซ้ายเลี้ยวที่ล้อ
Alright, quite a rough landing.